안녕하세요. This is Chommang. This is the first video of 2025. I don't speak English very well, but I communicate in English through Google and other translated things. Today we'll be drawing a face with step-by-step explanations, starting by drawing a circle and marking a point. Then draw a center line aligned with the tilt of the head. This center line is based on the line connecting the eyebrows and the chin. The chin's length is determined by extending one section below the circle, dividing it into 4 parts. Next, we will locate the end point of the eyes and draw the cross-section of the sphere. Below the cross-section on the right side, draw the ear. Remember, the chin should be positioned slightly inward. Now, let's draw the neck and a simple outline of the upper body connected to the neck. Okay, let's find the position of the eyes, nose, and mouth. The nose is located in the middle between the eyebrows and the chin. The eye sockets are drawn slightly above the nose. And in this angle, the outer facial line directly follows the line of the nose, so let's draw it right away. Next, draw the connected lips and place the eyes along the line parallel to the eyebrows. The shape of the eyes is drawn as an asymmetrical triangle slanted to one side. The nostril and mouth are drawn simply. Since the pupils are looking upward, so consider the tilt of the ovals carefully when drawing eyes. This angle is for 3/4 view faces too, so the opposite eye should be hidden by the nose. Using a circle, we've created a simple guideline. This method isn't about just copying a reference. It's the method I've been discussing for years, using circles to create guidelines applicable to faces of any angle. So if you're interested in more detailed and structured lesson, please check out my membership. It includes courses on drawing faces from all angles, anatomy drawings, and drawing routines. Now, let's slightly erase the guidelines we've drawn. Once the basic sketch is done, now focus on detailing. It's important to maintain overall proportion at this stage. It's okay if the details looks a little bit bad, but the proportion shouldn't be. You can refine the sketchy further here. Darken the upper eyelid lines. For fine detailing, I'm using a 4H pencil. When drawing a face, the most time-consuming part is fixing the proportions. That's why I recommend adjusting the proportion as much as possible during the sketch step before moving to realistic detailing. This empty area on the face depends on your drawing style, but for now, I lightly add simple details. Now, let's draw a large frog. For the frog, start with the proportion by sketching a circle. Using the same method I always use for faces will help you think more three-dimensionally when drawing other objects. Let's desist the frog's bumpy back and move on to the hair. This hairstyle features long hair tucked behind the ears with no bangs. I usually do line drawings with a pencil and coloring digitally, but today I will use the stump pencil for a light coloring effect. Well, if you are regular viewers of my videos, you might have noticed that I always use the same method for drawing. Once you master this approach, I believe my future videos will genuinely help you improve your drawing skills. Okay, finished. I hope everyone has a joyful new year, and let's all keep drawing little by little, slowly, and steadily. Okay, see you next time. Bye.